In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start making money with Pumpfun. The basic idea is simple. Pump.fun lets you launch and trade meme coins on Solana, and the opportunity comes from creating a token that other people want to buy and trade. To get started, head over to Pump.fun and prepare the essentials for your token. You'll need a name, a ticker, and an image. These are the core branding elements of your coin, so make sure they're clear, memorable, and easy to recognize. Once that's ready, connect your Solana wallet, such as Phantom, to the platform. After connecting your wallet, you'll need to pay a small deployment fee, usually around 0.1 SOL, and buy the initial tokens. This is the step that actually creates your token on the platform. Before you confirm anything, it's a good idea to double check your wallet balance so you have enough SOL to cover both the deployment and any related transaction costs. Also, make sure your token details are exactly how you want them, because presentation matters when you're trying to attract attention from buyers. Once your token is live, it starts on what's called a bonding curve. This is important to understand because it directly affects how the token price moves. On Pump.fun, all new coins begin on this curve, and as more people buy your coin, the price increases. In other words, demand pushes the price upward automatically through the platform's built-in structure. This is one of the key mechanics behind how momentum can build around a meme coin, so it helps to understand that early activity can influence how attractive the token appears to new buyers. If your coin performs well enough and reaches a market capitalization of $60,000, it can graduate to radium. This is a much larger trading market, and that move gives the token broader visibility and access to global trading. For many creators, this is a major milestone because it means the project has moved beyond the initial launch phase and into a wider market environment. Another reason people use Pump.fun is the ability to earn fees when others buy and sell your coin on the platform. That means if your token gains traction and trading activity increases, you can benefit from that volume. Of course, results depend on market interest and participation, so it's important to approach this with realistic expectations and understand that meme coins can be highly volatile. That's the full process. Create the token, launch it through your connected Solana wallet, let it grow on the bonding curve, aim for graduation to radium, and earn from trading activity if your coin attracts buyers and sellers.